What concerns you and I is this: how will you reach out to God such that through you this generation will know God again? But we cannot be lackadaisical. We cannot just sit and be satisfied with going to church, coming back, praying and eating and drinking, and we are not disturbed with what goes around us. That's the matter today. Please, am I communicating to you? I'm praying that God is going to ignite a fire in your spirit such that you will no longer be complacent in the name of Jesus. Men who became notable in history under God, they were not passive. They are not sleepers. They are early risers. And people who are ready even to jeopardize their life, even for God. Some of you, because you are eating and drinking, you don't even care whether your parents eat. You don't care. Because if you die now, I'm going to heaven. But you never care for your siblings who had never come to the saving grace.